Hi, this is for a grade 2 video just to go over your spelling activities and some of the spelling lists words. So first of all, for the word shook, um, something that we're probably not going to be doing a lot of. Um, Before you would greet someone and shake their hand, but and now we're going to be tapping elbows. So shook means you shake something. Sometimes a drink when you need to mix everything up, you would shake it, and you could say afterwards, "I shook it." And then for a hook, it seems like a lot of people think about these are fishing hooks for catching fish, but then there's a couple hooks here for hanging your clothes on. So that's hook. Crook. So a crook is someone who's trying to take something that isn't theirs. And apparently, all these cartoon guys wear a mask of some sort. Soot. So soot is dirt, and it's usually dirt from something like coal. And you can see this factory, the pollution coming out. They make a skull out of it, and you can see this miner is covered with soot, which is a powder that comes from using coal. But nowadays, people say soot and they just think dirt. So that's soot. Should is a tough one. Should is like question marks. Like, see this boy, he's going, should I do that? Stood, that's when you've stood in a place for a while. A brook is something lovely like this, a stream. If you're being supervised, you could splash around. It would be great fun. A foot. Now, obviously, they think a lot about human feet, but other animals have a foot as well. So we don't get to see an elephant foot here. Let's see. Could and would. So could, I like this one. The stick man is saying could, I should, I would, and then he finishes and he did it. So and would is like, oh, what would you do? And it's like all these question marks. So that's the introduction to the meaning of the words. For find and circle, you don't need to copy this out. If you just look at the screen and you can find the words would. Okay, my pencil is too thick. So I just go here and say, get a little less thick. So if you find the words here, that's good enough. And I would not necessarily copy out all the letters. And so each spelling list word will be there. Word sort with ut, uk, ud, and ud. So it's all the sounds. Pattern smart. Write the spelling words that have the same pattern as books. So you're looking for words that end in OOK. And write the spelling word that has the same pattern as hood. So OOD at the end. All right. And they give you the word list in a box. The something stole, so the crook. An inch is smaller than a foot. Okay, a foot is 12 inches. In the United States, they'll use a foot, and it equals 12 inches, which is about 30 centimeters. So an inch is smaller than a foot. Hang your coat up on the hook. We saw the duck swimming in the, eyes up so long. Yeah, I got it. He will not be able to play in the game. He should, could be a couple of those words. He could not, he would not be able to play in the game. It would have to be would, because it only sounds right with that word in there. The little boy, something with fear. Ooh, that sounds bad. Shook. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, when it was a thunderstorm, I would shake a little bit because I did not like thunderstorms. Mom knew I would pick her up at the mall. There was, okay, when you burn wood, you get something in the chimney, if you have a chimney, and it will darken the inside of the chimney. It's called soot. And you have to clean up the fireplace because that soot can actually catch on fire. You should know the answer to this question. You can color in the ducks if you like. And there's 6 spelling mistakes. Usually they make them very clear. I don't know why I'm getting this box all the time. I don't like it. Oh well. Here I just said for writing, write about cleaning up something to make the earth a better place. So if you need more room, if you just want to do it on a separate piece of paper, that's fine. And I just put that in there. Not sure why. And that's, I feel like it cut off a page at the end. Okay, so well, that's one. Oh, that should be 4 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure what that page is. Okay, well, we'll stop things there. And if you have any questions, let me know.